All right, so I've gone through the process of adding, three-quarter inch material, some 8 millimeter material, edge banding, and laminate, all with the texture that we added just a minute ago. And I've got this job that I use pretty much for everything rendering. Whenever I'm testing how something is going to render, this is the file that I use. So I've got it set up. I've already updated my job so that I can select the materials, and I have already selected the materials for the assembly doors and drawer fronts. And I just have this saved view that I normally go into, and here you have it. This is, just a very simple sort of textured rendering of the material that we just brought in. And I'm gonna pause the recording and actually run this through PhotoVision so you can see the finished product as well. And so yeah, hold on just a minute. All right, so here we are. We finished rendering. I have not really adjusted these at all from what my default settings are, but um, if you are rendering, a lot of times I find all you really need to adjust is your white balance. And the bars are a little bit reversed. If you go towards the blue, you actually get more warm rather than cool. And if you go towards the orange or red, you actually get cool instead of warm. But through a little bit of a temperature adjustment, you can get this to look pretty darn good. So if you happen to be doing renderings for your bids, I hope that this has been helpful. Enjoy.